Hey guys, welcome back. We are on the roof again. So a couple of days ago, we put a giant blow-up ornament for Halloween, and we secured it to this tile right here. Um, well, there was a tile right here, and I guess the wind was so strong and the sail area was so large that it exerted enough force on this tile and pulled it out. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna take the pieces downstairs and then clean them up, and we're gonna kind of reinstate this part because I don't have an extra piece of tile, so we're gonna fix this problem. Before we go downstairs, let me just take an inventory of what we're taking down there. So these concrete mortar pieces, kind of just leaving up here, and those with the actual tile pieces, I'm gonna try and piece together and reassemble. But it's actually kind of hard to figure out what's what. But regardless, we're gonna figure it out. Okay, after a bit of playing with puzzles and out of these tiles and using a little hot glue for its not intended purpose, I think we made some progress, and we can kind of stitch this big piece together. And there's other piece. I'm not sure how it goes together, but I imagine probably something like this. Tell, like, this one got banged up pretty bad, so get to figure out how that goes in. All right, let me time lapse it. All right, instead of going downstairs to get the tripod, so given the amount of gobbledygook that's inside of here, and based on the wear patterns, I'm gonna presume this broken piece right here probably lays down in this kind of a orientation as such, and by doing so, it allows us to kind of set this cap over the spots pretty seamlessly. So yeah, and with that explains the heavy amount of mortar that was kind of thrown in here earlier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this setup and glue it in. All right, this is the result of what we've done, and we used asphalt in lieu of roofing mortar because it sticks better, and also it's got better water repellent properties. So this is a repair. Asphalt is very strong. Once the VOCs kind of gases off, it'll be rock hard, and it has incredible resistance to moisture. That, and also it's been used for over 2,000 years, so we just need it to hold for maybe 10 or 20. Anyway, if you ever run into problems like this, I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, concerns, leave me a comment.